7 lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking through the rain, coming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what we wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and over here another town that I'll go walking through. With the rain in my shoes,
Rain in my shoes,
searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph, some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. Said yes, she's been here, but her memory wasn't clear. Was it just a day? Oh wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? He drove on through the rain. As he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead another town that I'll go walking through. The rain in my shoes,
rain in my shoes,
searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, cold Kentucky rain, cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky. Thank you very much. Thank you.